Hey guys, it's just me, Kirsten. I wanted to do a quick haul video. I'm just heading out the door, but I wanted to do this video real quick. I went to Sephora the other day and I got a couple of things while I was there. I actually just got a bunch of minis. I love getting the minis, especially because I'm a hair and makeup artist, so I love shoving the minis in my makeup artist train case because it, and I can do a video on that, guys, if you guys want to see that. I love my makeup train case. I've had a couple, but this one's really suiting me. But I wanted to get like just downsized. I don't want to have huge products in there, but I know if I love the products, I can get the large one at home and leave that here, but I can put the minis in my kit and then I can just, you know, transfer over the products if I need to. So especially if it's like a makeup fixing spray or like, you know, foundation or anything like that, you can just, you know, replenish those. I just like getting the small ones sometimes, especially if I don't know if I'm gonna like the product. Some people don't see the point of them because, you know, they're thinking, oh, I might as well just get the big product because they're kind of close in money wise and everything, but this is just things I like to do. So again, I just went in there real quick the other day. I do have the House of Lashes like little thing. I'm just gonna go in here and kind of see what I got real quick. I got this House of Lashes little thing. It just has the it's got like a little mirror in here, and then it can hold like 3 pairs of lashes. I just need this for me personally. I have a like lash container for my kit, but I need one to just put into like my makeup bag or, you know, my purse or whatever. And then it has this bottom compartment here, and in this box that they give you, there's like a little tray at the bottom, and they give you, this is House of Lashes, by the way, they give you a set of their lashes, and then they give you the black adhesive and the clear adhesive, which I love, so I can try both of them out. Obviously I really like the black ones if you can, because it hides the strip better, but I really just wanted to try this stuff out. I haven't tried them out. I've heard a bunch of reviews on these and how people love them, so I purchased that. I don't know how much this was. I think it was like around the 20 range. So, and the lashes in here are seductress, so if you guys wanted to know. You ever get tongue-tied and you have no idea what you were just saying? I think I do that a lot. The Smashbox Water Primer. I've heard a lot about this, especially I think it's from Casey Holmes or whatever. I think she really loves this and a couple other people. But I really wanted to try this and get a small size because if I do like it, I can throw this in my kit but keep the big size at home and just even out if I use too much of this. So, and then I got the Bad Girl Bang Lash. I think that's what it's called. I really just wanted to try this. I've heard some pretty good reviews on it. I've never tried the roller mascara one, but I really think that this would be something similar to that. So I think I'm going to pick up that mini next time as well, but I really wanted to try this. Plus I need a new mascara, so. I also got, I'm dropping everything. I also got the Light CC Color Correcting Full Coverage and Cream. It's an anti-aging. This is the SPF with 50. I really just want like a nice BB cream. I have a couple, like I'm going to try out the CoverGirl one. And I think I have like an e.l.f. one, and I think I have a Smashbox one as well. But I really have heard so many good reviews about this one, so I really wanted to try this one. I don't know if this is I think this is the illuminating one. I'm not sure though. I think this one's the illuminating one. But I just wanted to try it, you know, see if I like it, because I don't want to buy the big size if I didn't like it. So, and then I got the Long Lasting Makeup Spray, the All Nighter by Urban Decay. Love this. This is a holy grail, and I haven't had it in a while, and I should replenish it. If you guys want to know my favorite setting sprays, comment below. I will do a video on that. I have a couple really good ones, so. And then last but not least, this is the main reason why I went to Sephora. But these are the Steeler Glitter on the Go eyeshadow set, and this has Rose Gold Retro, Kitten Karma, and Smoldering Satin. These are beautiful, guys. I think they had this as like a spring or maybe holiday set or whatever, but they've kept them because people love these. And I don't know if you guys can see like the colors, but one's more of like the rose gold. This is kind of like a silvery pink, and this is more of a smoky eye kind of thing. But the glitters are so good. They stay on, and I really need to get these in my kit. Some of the other girls that I work with were like, you need these in your kit. And so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna purchase the smaller size because I'm not gonna use glitters all the time on my clients, but I really, you know, need to have these in case somebody wants them. And then if I need more, I'll just go get the big sizes. But I definitely wanted to try these. This is the main reason why I went to Sephora. So I think that's it, guys. Like I said, it was a quick, real easy, just, you know, go in, go out. But main reason why I went was to get these because I saw they were on sale. I got these for like 25 bucks. So, and then I got the little House of Lashes thing too. That was the main reasons why I went, because I wanted those for my kit and for my makeup bag. And then as I'm like walking up to the register, of course, I picked up, you know, the little primers and mascara and stuff. Just a couple things to try out. They always get you that way. But again, like I said, I like to get the small ones just because I can throw them in my kit, and especially if it's like a setting spray or something, super easy to do. So if you guys want to know the prices on it, the all-nighter spray was $15. The primer water was $16. The CC was $15. The Bad Girl Bang Lash was $12. And the Stila Glitters, like I said, was $25. So all in all, I spent about $89, which is, you know, kind of expensive. But again, I knew I would like these kind of products. I just wanted to get some for small for my kit and some for just to try and see if I liked them, because I'm not going to purchase like big ones sometimes, you know, if not needed. But if it's like a foundation or something and not like a BB cream, I probably will purchase a full one. So there's really, like, I can't really show you guys the products because two are like the primer waters, so I can kind of just tell you how I feel about those when I'm, you know, doing them. I already know I like the all-nighter, but I'm pretty sure the primer water I'll like too, because I just like that little bit of hydration. I have combination skin. I have oily in my T-zone and on my chin a little bit, and then everything else is like dry, so it's like ugh. And then the eyelash stuff and the glitter I can try on later for videos and stuff. So if you guys want to see like swatches and stuff, I will do that for other, like if I get lipsticks and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Comment below on what you guys like to see next. If you guys want to see how I did this braid, I will have a video on that. Either it's already up or it will be up in a couple days. So comment below on what you want to see next. Hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, reviews, you know, girl boss advice, trying to think what else, blogging, you know, videos, anything you guys want to see, I will do it for you. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.